Understanding the best practices for Credit.com installment loans is crucial for making informed financial decisions. To begin with, it is essential to know what installment loans are. These are loans that are repaid in fixed monthly payments, typically over a set period of time. The first step is to check your credit score, as it plays a significant role in determining the interest rate you will qualify for. A good credit score can help you qualify for a lower interest rate, which can save you money in the long run. Next, it is vital to choose the right loan amount. Borrow only what you need, as this will help you avoid paying unnecessary interest. Consider your income and expenses to determine how much you can afford to repay each month. Another critical aspect is to understand the repayment terms Credit.com installment loans offer flexible repayment terms, but it is crucial to choose a term that works for you. A longer repayment term may mean lower monthly payments, but it can also mean paying more in interest over the life of the loan. When applying for an installment loan, it is best to have all the necessary documents ready. This typically includes identification, proof of income, and proof of address. Having these documents ready can help speed up the application process. It is also essential to read and understand the loan agreement before signing. The loan agreement will outline the terms of the loan, including the interest rate, repayment term, and any fees associated with the loan. Make sure you understand all the terms before committing to the loan. Finally, making timely payments is crucial for avoiding late fees and negative marks on your credit report. Set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. By following these best practices, you can use Credit.com installment loans to your advantage and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always borrow responsibly and make informed financial decisions.